Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to install YouTube app in Windows. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Google Chrome. You can see over here, I have already opened it. Now click on the search bar and type in youtube.com and press enter. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the official website of YouTube. Now what you have to do is click on the three dots that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Find the option for cast, save and share. Hover over it and you'll be able to find various options over here. You'll be able to find the option for install YouTube, so simply click on it. Now you'll be able to see this kind of pop-up. Simply click on this option, install. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here YouTube application will be installed. Now you'll be able to use the YouTube in the app. So like this you'll be able to install the YouTube app. So that is how you install YouTube app on Windows. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.